Ramadan weight loss diet plan. Now, how to lose weight fast in Ramadan and lose around 10 kgs in 30 days. Yes, Ramadan is a sacred month of fasting, reflection, and spiritual growth, but it can also be an excellent opportunity to adopt a healthy lifestyle and achieve weight loss goals. Many people struggle with weight gain during Ramadan due to excessive consumption of deep fried snacks, high calorie foods, and a lack of physical activity. However, with the right diet plan and mindful eating habits, it is possible to lose up to 10 kgs in 30 days while maintaining energy levels and staying healthy. In this video today, we will discuss a structured and a practical weight loss diet plan for Ramadan that can help you achieve fast and sustainable results. Understanding weight loss during Ramadan. Fasting during Ramadan creates a natural calorie deficit, which can contribute to weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and a regular exercise. However, many people make the mistake of eating high carb and oily foods during suhoor, pre dawn meal, and iftar, breaking the fast, which leads to weight gain and instead of fat loss. To lose weight effectively, it is important to focus on nutrient dense foods. Stay hydrated and avoid overeating during non fasting hours. Intermittent fasting, which is similar to the fasting pattern in Ramadan, has been scientifically proven to aid in weight loss, improve metabolism, and reduce the inflammation. Best Ramadan weight loss diet plan. A well structured meal plan during Ramadan should include protein rich diets, rich foods, healthy fats, fiber, and complex carbohydrates to keep you full and provide sustained energy. Now, below is a detailed breakdown of a weight loss plan for Ramadan. Let's start. The number one is suhoor, pre dawn meal. Suhoor is an essential meal that provides the necessary energy to sustain the body throughout the day. It is important to consume foods that release energy slowly to prevent hunger and fatigue. Proteins include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or lean chicken to keep you full for longer. Complex carbs. Opt for whole grains like oats, brown rice, or whole wheat bread instead of refined carbs. Healthy fats. Add a handful of nuts, chia seeds, or avocados for essential nutrients. For hydration, drink plenty of water and herbal teas to prevent dehydration. Avoid caffeine as it can lead to water loss. Number two, iftar, breaking the fast. The key to a healthy iftar is breaking the fast with nutritious and light foods rather than indulging in fried or sugary treats. Start with dates and water. Dates provide instant energy, and water helps with hydration. So avoid sugary drinks like sodas and juices. Fruits and vegetables. Opt for fiber rich options such as cucumbers, carrots, and leafy greens to aid digestion. Proteins and healthy fats. Lean meats, fish, lentils, or grilled chicken are excellent sources of protein. Limit fried and sugary foods. Replace deep fried snacks like samosas and pakoras with baked or air fried alternatives. For the dinner, post iftar meal, dinner should be a balanced meal with controlled portions to avoid excessive calorie intake. Protein sources grilled fish, tofu, chickpeas, or lean beef. Healthy carbs, quinoa, sweet potatoes, or brine rice in moderation. Vegetables, a mix of steamed or stir fried veggies for vitamins and minerals. Fourth, that is post Tuhari snack if needed. So, if you feel hunger after prayers, opt for light snacks like yogurt with nuts, a smoothie with protein powder, or a small bowl of mixed fruits. Avoid late night heavy meals as they can disrupt digestion and hinder weight loss. What are the effective tips to lose 10 kgs in Ramadan? So, to maximize weight loss result during Ramadan, following these additional tips is important. The number one is stay hydrated. So, drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water between iftar and suhoor is crucial for metabolism and digestion. So, proper hydration also reduces cravings and prevents the overeating in the body. Number two, control your portion sizes. Eating small portions help prevent excessive calorie intake. Use smaller plates, chew food slowly, and stop eating when you feel 80% full. Avoid sugary and processed foods. Excess sugar and processed food lead to weight gain. Replace sweets with natural sugars like fruits and dates. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Exercise smartly. Light exercises such as walking, stretching, and yoga can be done after iftar or before the suhoor. Avoid intense workout during fasting hours to prevent exhaustion. Number five is get enough sleep. Yes, lack of sleep can disrupt metabolism, so it can lead to weight gain. Aim for at least 6 to 7 hours of quality sleep each night to support weight loss and your overall well being. In this way, the final thoughts are like losing weight during Ramadan is achievable. Yes. So, with the right approach to nutrition and lifestyle, Ramadan is not just a time for fasting, but also an opportunity to reset your eating habits and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Stay disciplined, listen to your body, and enjoy the spiritual and physical benefits of this holy month of Ramadan. So, thanks for watching the video. And if you like this video and if you love watching my videos, do subscribe to my channel and do like to these videos as well. And keep updated.